Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. For this style you will need rubber bands like these ones, little ones, and you also need gel. You can use any gel of your choice. I'm just going to be splitting the hair into two, but I will be splitting the hair. The back will be bigger than the front. That's what I'm going to be doing for this style. I will make the back bigger than the front. You can see my hair is cut and ready to be styled. You can see that the front is smaller than the back side. So we're just going to go into this video. What I'm going to do right now is I'm cutting the one cornrow hair in the middle. So I'm going to be cornrowing those parts that I cut in the middle. So right now I'm just going to be applying some gel to the hair. As you can see on the video, the way I'm doing it, I'll just apply some gel to it, then we cornrow the hair. So I'm just cutting the other side I'm going to be working with now. This side is for the hairband. So I don't even know how to explain it right now, but just follow the way I'm doing it, because the hair is very cute and simple style. This is something that you can just do when you want to go out in a hurry or something. The hair is really cute. I really love the hair after making this hair. this is the finished look, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.